Let's do this. 7 days. I will go back to eating like I used to before I went on vacation and gained all this weight back. I'm just going to take my time, eat what I feel like eating, but cut down and make it a little bit more healthier choices. And so far, I'm feeling great. And I'm not getting back off of this. So I guess no more vacations for me unless I can take my food. Anyway, I'm feeling much, much better. Look at this. Look how fast the pounds were dropping. I mean, it's been 7 days. And listen, look what happened. Here's the end. Yay!